Lubbock Power and Light will transition to retail electric competition soon. Once we're closer to the transition, customers will need to shop for a new provider since LP&L will no longer provide the direct sale of electricity. Once the shopping window opens, the most up-to-date information on shopping will be found at powertochoose.org. Powertochoose.org gives Texans the information needed to choose an electric provider and plan that best suits their needs. Before visiting powertochoose.org, make sure to have a calculator and past electric bills or your 12-month usage history handy. Once you're ready, follow these simple instructions to shop for a provider. First, enter your home zip code. If the shopping window is not open yet, the website will show "No plans found" for your zip code. If the shopping window is open, you'll be able to click View Results or Narrow Search. To narrow your search, answer 3 questions. The first question asks about your monthly energy use. To find out how much energy you use per month, you can check the total usage and kWh section of your bill. This will show you how much energy you used in the most recent month. You can also calculate your average usage over the past few months using the Annual Electric Usage section. If you don't have a bill handy, you can also log into your online account to access this information. Once logged in, click Usage under View and Pay Bill to see your usage chart and average monthly usage. The next 2 questions are about the type of plan you are looking for. To find out more about types of plans and contract lengths available to you, click on the About Shopping tab on powertochoose.org and select Plan Options. Once you have answered those questions, you will see a list of providers matching your needs. On the right, you can see contract length, plan type, company rating, renewable energy information, and cancellation fees for each provider. You will also see contact information and a sign-up button. On the left, you can narrow the plans further or adjust your search and click Refresh Results to see an updated list. In addition to the information on the website, every provider is required to provide a fact sheet or electricity facts label so that customers can make an apples-to-apples comparison of the different offers. View the EFL carefully to make sure you fully understand the plan terms and pricing. Every provider's EFL varies, but all will provide a basic breakdown of your bill. The chart shows the sample cost per kilowatt hour based on usage. It can help you calculate a rough estimate of what your electric costs would be based on your average monthly kilowatt-hour usage. The rest of the electricity price section provides a breakdown of charges from your chosen electric provider and from the transmission and distribution service provider, which will remain LP&L. Make sure to also check the disclosure chart for any additional taxes or fees not listed in the electricity price section. The disclosure chart can tell you things like whether the provider has a termination fee, whether your price can change during your contract and by how much of your energy comes from renewable sources. Once you have determined which provider works best for you, you can sign up by clicking the blue button to the right of your chosen provider's name. In addition to visiting the Power to Choose website, customers also have the option to contact providers directly for a quote or to sign up. A list of approved retail electric providers and their contact information can be found on the LP&L website. For more on the move to competition, visit lpnl.com.